Thank you so much. Ubusan na yan. Kuya Gab, hain di diyan ano ko. Hain ano ko dun, stand san wifi ay san pang vlog ko ito. Ito. Thank you Sir Donnie. Hi Donnie.
Pero ikaw ba?
Ubusan na yan. Kaya para sa aga ini itong tanong lang. Hi Donnie. Double tap. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the someone who joined my live. God bless. Hi, Hendrik. Hello from South Africa. You're pretty great. Oh, thank you so much. My goodness. Dano. South Africa. Ano ba yun? Thank you, 17 million in the house, my God. Hi, people. Thank you so much. Don't wanna let her go. Thank you so much. Can you please hit the likes? Double tap. 24 million. Don't wanna let her go. Leo Alviar, thank you. Good morning to you. Good evening here. He's in McDonald's and McDonald's. Maybe we'll love looking back. Thank you, 27 people. Thank you so much. Greetings from Argentina, Fernando Gaitan. I am from Houston. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Bicol province. Provinciana. Living in the province. Philippines. Marcos Nascimento. Nair. Thank you, Nair. Sanya, I am too shy to tap you. Sanya? I'm not Sanya. I'm Sheryl. My God, I'm not Sanya. Sir Kurt. Hi, Kevin McConnell. Sean McDonald. Hi. You're pretty. Thank you, Leah. Juicy Pen. I'm not Juicy Pen. You really have a woman, huh? Breastfeeding. Oh my God. Good evening, Cheryl. Hello. Hi, Sir Kevin McConnell. Nair, hi Nair. You are beautiful. Oh, thank you, San. Sean. Zanjo. She stood up and walked. Okay, I stood up and walked for $100. That's good. Thank you, Sir Cart. That's nice. Free blessings. Um, have you been in the United States and would you go there? Not been there, but I don't know if I'm living there. If having a chance, why not? Fine. Show me and I will. Okay. Send me and I will. Son Leo. Sean. Edward Tech. I think we could fall in love. Edward, where are you from? California. Nice to meet you, Edward, from California, USA. Los Angeles. Or Jan, I am very jealous. Hi, why you love me? Rodolfo Logan. Thank you so much. Are you married and have a kids? I have one kid and not yet married. Soon. Diversion. Thank you so much, likes. I really appreciate the likes. Sweet Leo Albert. Thank you, 20 people in the house. Thank you so much. Don't wanna let her go. The topic today is it meet some weirdos. Yes, the weirdos. What are weirdos? Oh my. Sir Fred, I would love to visit over there. Would you show me around? Okay, then I am in the right place. Hey guard from Sir Fred. Hi Sir Fred. At this left to your happy week. Too close, my God, surprise! Fred, hello po. Hello from Heart Chongwell. Kingsley Pilaf. Hi, hello. Fred, the music man. Yes. The music and the bully man. 6 days to her happy week, yes. Happy week. No, my God. For the happy week. Oh, only 6 days you should prepare. Yes, I need to prepare. Hi, Mystic Mirage. Thank you so much, Mystic Mirage, for always joining my live. God bless. I need to give you a moderator because having a blue jacket, it recognizes you are the one friend of me. That's why I love your eyes. They look like dark balls of champurrado. The champurrado. 5 days when she wakes up. Yes. Nah. She talking about getting walks. Sarap. Mm. Alright. Stephen Davidson, hello. I hope you are doing good. Yes, I'm doing good. I'm doing fine. Fred is the matchmaker. He know all about. Yes, he's our matchmaker, Sir Fred, Sir Card. Hello, you are very beautiful and you have a nice smile, Tura. Smile Chural. My name is Julius Caesar. I'm from Peru. Hi, Julius Caesar from Peru. Hi, pretty one. Hi, Sir Thomas from Denmark. Yes, Carchel is the second couple I match. Wow. What? Who's the first couple you match? Oh my god. Who's the first couple you match? My gulay. Fred, soon will be a whole theme then, yeah. Jeff and his girl. Ah, Sir Jeff. Wow. Wow, that's great. Oh. Who's your favorite couple? Who's your favorite couple? Hope me and Mike. Hi, Kingsley Pellet. Your long hair is like Wonder Woman hair, long and strong like rock. Oh. Aray ko. Hi, Nature's True Life. Sana all. I saw your picture, Sheryl. Oh, thank you. Hope you like it. And that hair long is going to hold her down on the bed. I love it. Ah! Hi, Horse. Good afternoon. Miguel Love shout out. Hi, Miguel Love shout out to you, Madin Komburan. 1169. Hello. Fred, breeds are the best. I like Pocahontas. Oh, Pocahontas. Mike calling me a Pocahontas. He said, oh, my Pocahontas. I love it. Hi, thank you too. Long time no see. How are you? I'm fine. Made in Cumberland. How about you? How are you? Really? Wow. Yes. Mike calling me a Pocahontas, so I will stop saying that. It's fine because maybe I look like a Pocahontas. Hi, Jennifer Manali. Kisses, thank you. How many times you change shirt today, Cheryl? Oh my god. 4 times. 4 times, my god. Ah, yes, four. 4 time change shirt, my god. Bye bye. Oh. My god. 4 time to change shirt. My god. Do not mention your remind me of delicious sisig. Awesome. Ah, okay. Ah, yes. Delicious, awesome, pulutan. Yes po, King's Play. Salute, favorite sisig. Hi, Anday! Thank you for the, thank you so much for joining po. From Italy, Pietro, Daisy. Hi, from Italy. Hi, house from Fred. Yes, I remember we met earlier from Sir Fred Live. You just a white one on 30 minutes ago. Yes, not white, just like pink. Wait, it's the this is not a white. This is I wear. So I change. Before this a blue. Before this, wait. Before this, what? This first. This the red. Then the blue. Look, the blue. Then the blue. And then this. And then this. Oh my god, so many dress. So many shirt. Love you, Fred. I can land here premiere tomorrow. Yes, pa. You can drop your premiere, mom in dice. Can you drop? You're so sweet in die live. You also. Do you live near Cebu? No, I live here in Bicol province, Philippines. Far in Cebu. Thank you so much, host. Always welcome and direct guests. Altika Nani. Can I picot you? No picot me. I'm already taken. Thank you. Yes, point. Oh, wait. I need to, ano. Don't wanna give support our new friend and Ragas. Char. Okay, just char. It's fine. Well done, you're taken. My name is Ben. Hello, my name is Ben. Goga. The 3 last chatter wins. Ah, yes. The last chatter wins. You are the most beautiful scientist. The scientist. I always win. Wow, Sir Fred. Thank you for being my premier house. Always welcome in Ragas. Please support our new friends in the Harry. Thank you. I need to visit your sermon. Why thank you, Harry? Because Harry, she said, I love you. Say thank you. You are a ray of sunshine on the resist flower. Oh my God. I like pistachio ice cream. Okay, enjoy your pistachio. Pistachio. 11 a.m. United Kingdom. 7 p.m. Okay. Nano? Nano? Ha?
Ada sa tayo niya.
Oo, yadi ako. Nano?
Titintin, sabi magtawa na may titintin sa may.
Sabihon ko na magtawag. Nagtatawag ka? Sabihon ko nagtatawag ka? Oh, sige, sige. Wait. Sige na. Kaya na, sabihan ko. Wait, I need to go to, aray ko. Bye. Hello, my beautiful Filipina. Thank you. Where are you from? Always wait. You also in Thai. Nice meeting you, Sir Fred from Thai. Okay. Oh, he loves you, not me. I'm sad. That you Pinoy boyfriend? Huh? I have no Pinoy boyfriend. No. Hello from Russia. I know Pinoy boyfriend. The calling? No, he's my cousin. My God. He calling me because he didn't contact his sister. Oh my God. All of them, the house here, we are relatives. That's why. I know I need to tease you. Oh my God. Mr. New Guy, hello. Cheetah. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Clippers. Hi, Clippers. Where are you from? Can we make a deal? What a deal? What a deal? Hi, Juan. Thank you, Juan, for joining. Don't wanna wait, I am from Des Moines, Iowa, in the United States. Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining. George Ferreira. Bayan. Good morning, successful meeting with a future man. Huh? My God, he's calling me. Like, I used to pack my truck and this minus all the time. From Sir Fred. I used to think I had no answers to everything, but now I know this isn't all time. I used to park my truck. I have to go now. Hope to see you again. Take care of yourself. Thank you, Clippers. Thank you, Clippers. Inday. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ma'am Inday. Not a girl. Inday dreams about me. Yes, ma'am, you're welcome always. Thank you. An kukulit ka. An Wala pa. Oh my God, my friend messaged me. I'll be excited. They think Mike will already meet now. Oh my God, not yet. I saw as well. Sarili ko'y napabayaan. What kind of films? What kind of films? Umikot mundong puso kong ito. Oh, Shanti Shanti Om. Ay, hirap na. Dahil dalawa kami. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Umikot mundo ang puso ko ito. Sa pag-ibig. Sheryl, how many languages you speak? 3 languages. English, Bicol, Tagalog. Yes. English, Bicol, Tagalog. Indonesia star. Hi, you forget the language of love. Not yet now, but soon. Not now. I don't like secret no more, lol. I don't like secret no more. Mike, where's Mike? Huh, Mike? Huh? Do you sing? No, I don't sing Disney song, any song. Haha. Too public friend in here. It's okay, no secrets, boy die. Indonesia star. Can you sing Michael Jackson, no? Beat it. Look at comment. I put before mic. Look at comment. Put before mic. Wait. Here you have the language. Love language. Yes. Mike soon. Michael Shehan. Hello from New York. Hi from New York. Coming closer. Yes, coming closer. 76. Yes, 76. Oh my God. 76. Nang dahil sa pag-ibig, natutong magtiis. Nang dahil sa pag-ibig, mahal ng lubos ang puso kong ito. Hindi umaasang tumbasan ang pag-ibig ko nang dahil sa pag-ibig. Sa lahat ng gusto mo, nang dahil sa pag-ibig, iyak ngayon ang puso ko. Spencer Caswell. Spencer Caswell. Sa lahat ng gusto mo, dahil sa pag-ibig, mahal kita. Thank you so much sa nagla-likes. If you like the host, hit the dollar sign and give super chat or people here. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Fred. Need to PayPal. Welcome to the PayPal. Why does Filipino beggars keep, huh? Anthony. Gozi Babu. Lars. Hi, Lars. Who's bigger, Anthony? I don't. Bigger. Who? Can you actually do anything worth watching but sit there like oh my god, if you don't want to to see me, it's okay to do, you know. What? It was so beautiful. My goodness. Oh my god, so beautiful. Anthony, you know what? I have a lots of live streamers and here going on my channel, so I really appreciate they like me. So if you don't like it, if you don't want to be here, I don't like you to be here. So basic, so easy. Do you think you're good? No, you're not. Pati na ako kayo naka-live si Buwa.
Naka-live si Buwa, bawal ang bata.
Bawal ang bata. Bawal ang bata. Sure, I will, Jeremy. Don't worry, I got it. Sure, yes, I know po. Thank you, Sir Fred. What a woo. What a woo. Anthony. Mark Benson set to guide. A lot of streamer here, not only me. Anthony, if you don't like me, do you think I like you? Oh, you're so important. You're not so important. You're just an idiot going to my channel, my live streaming. Who's the idiot, me or you? Show yours. Oh, Pino. Oh my God. Respect yourself, Pino. Not here. You know what? Here, you're not allowed. Calm down yourself. Lack of my godness. The Lily girl, that's all women. The triangle, the old triangle, the old. Ano daw? I don't forget. You don't forget the what? Guys, if you want to bring trolls here because you don't like me or because you hate or you feel jealous and you're trying to get me mad, sorry. You make myself forced to be a better one. Trying to disrespecting me. Duh. Hello from Brisbane, Australia. Thank you so much. Liminal place. Thank you. 25 people in the house. Hit the likes. Thank you so much. 24 people here. Hindi nakatiis. Hindi nakatiis. He said I look like an idiot. Oh my God, maybe nagagandahan ka lang sa akin. Char! Where are you? I'm from Philippines. Sige, mainggit ka pa. So many people should I live here. Huh? Maybe, why? I mean at basketball, yes, basketball. Kids playing basketball outside. Master Duster, hi. Me. Mm. 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 Nibal Pereira. Uzbekistan. Hello from Uzbekistan. Ay, nako. Ganyan ba ka-delicious? Can you even reach the basketball? No, never. Ah, who are you, iyon? The Daisy May Buangayan. Hi, ba? Hey, diba? I'm from Philippines. Master. Maybe double can they? Do you have a children? Yeah, I have one kid. Okay, sister. Guapa Cheryl. Hi, Jess. Water. Hi, Jess. Maybe if you sit on my shoulder, you can reach it. Yes. Yes po. No, stop spamming. Thank you, Sir Fred. Ano ba yan? Busy. Nibal, stop it, Nibal. Hey, Rocker. Hey, Fred from Jess. Thank you, Sir Fred. Kilikili armpit challenge for, yeah. Wala akong pake. Kilikili armpit challenge. Wala, baka. Wait. Baka. I don't believe. You don't believe, Sir Card? Kiss, kiss. Hi, Johnny, Agus, Rhea. I know you have the most 6 years toast ever. No. Hi, Sir David. Golden Eagle. Hi, Sir David. David, hi there. Let's see. Moga, mate volumes. Hope you hope you are having a good day. Yes, po, Sir David. Thank you, Sir David. Hey, David from Sir Fred. Why would she show Morgan? Hi, Fred from Sir David. Nakula, hello, Nakula di Prayaga. Hey, Shell, this morning I was trying to say goodbye. I think it's the best. I don't come anymore. I don't want to cause any problems. Why? What happened? Yes. Let's see those toes. What happened, sir? What happened, Jess? Oh my god, Jess! Calm down, it's fine. Rocker, don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. Don't worry, Jess. My god. I talked to Mike. Relax, Rocker. Yes, no worries, Jess. No worries, Fred. I am invisible. No worries, Jess. No worries. No need to say goodbye. Yes, no need to say goodbye. My God. My goodness. Invisible. Yes. Oh my God. But thank you, thank you so much for I said hello to you when you come in David. Oh my God. Just say bye now. Oh my goodness. Being silly. It's okay, it's fine. No worries, Sir David. Golden Eagle. Smooth the smooth operator. Hello. Hi. Wild Wazzy. Walid Wazzy. Do a 360. No worries. No worries. Hello from Germany, Mamita. Mamitali from Germany. No worries, JS. No worries. Leonardo Zuniga. Sir David. Oh, Germany, hello. Hello, Germany. Hello, Vietnam. Never told you. Leonardo Zuniga, hi. I just, yes. Sige na, paklan. I just don't want to cause you any problem, Cheryl. I have had time no saying something when I spoke into like that for no reason. Yes. Hello. Hi, Cart. Just don't want to cause you any problem. Maybe because of the other, something like that. Maybe because of the last night, I think. The last night or the other night? Last night. Maybe it's a last night. But no worries about it, Jess. No worries about it. I always want to have Bravo card. Mike has always seemed to have an issue with me, not sure why. Maybe because uh, just overprotecting about me. I hope you understand it, but he's fine now. No. Not an issue with you, but something like, wait lang. I don't know what is what happened about the last night. Last night. Maybe because why I didn't hear you. Maybe because of he just protecting me, but at that time I think you just like teases me or teases someone, because that's why as Mike said, just no joke for now. That's why Rocker, she said ano kuwan. Court. Not ano kuha, not ano. Rocker, I talked to Mike this morning. Yes. Jess, it's fine. No worries, Jess. Mike said he don't like no jokes for now. When he said that he lived on message last night. Jess, no jokes for now. That's right. Oh my God. Hi, Kuripot Buang. Welcome back. A very long time no here. Just keep coming. Nixon Agustin. Hi, Nixon Agustin. Hello. I've never done anything that he would need to protect you from. I've never been anything you but polite and respectful to you, and I have supported your channel. That's why Sir Jess Rocker, just why. Nah. Oh my God. That's why Mike said, Jess, Mike said, no jokes for now, maybe because he's not on the mood. Hey, King Rocker from Corip. Thank you so much, Jess Rocker. I know you are one of my good supporter here on my channel. It wasn't here, Raka from Sir Fred. Oh my God, hope Mike he come here now. My God, a flower, Leonardo Soniega. I want problem. Throw it away. Where are friends? I hope nothing changed. Something like that. We yes, we all crazy. Yes. Oh my God. Jess Rocker. Yes, Fred. Yes, we are crazy. Chill, chill, cool, happy. Corey, I am not your auntie. Hi, buddy. Sorry, having a comment issues this morning. I have to keep scrolling out and back to see all the comments. Huh? Sorry, having comment issues this morning. I have to keep scrolling. I have to keep scrolling out and back to see all the comments. Oh my God. Yes. Rocker, you're one of Cheryl's good moderator, yes. Little bird. Maybe it takes time. Yes. I hope you will understand soon, not now, maybe because uh, what's up, card? I want calling crazy. I was saying hello to Kuripot mo. Yeah, you know what, the Kuripot buang. Buang is a crazy lie. Like I said, I told Mike, you're good, and we talk, so keep coming. Yes, keep coming, yes. Alright, Corey. The Kuripot buang, crazy buang. Kuripot crazy. I was not calling crazy. I'm not your sis card. Not yet, but you see. Hi, Mauricio Almeida. Thank you po. Thank you guys. Oh my God. We're still friends. Nothing changed. Please. Hey, beautiful. Thank you. I remember. Meet somewhere else. You are in the right place. Thank you. Brian Johns. Cheryl. Hi, Sir Brian. Lauren Buat. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Lauren. Why you always watching this basketball drama? New here. Thank you, Lauren. Ricardo. Hi, Ricardo. Where are you from? Hi, Marco Dubon, LL, you are here. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Hi, Father Matt. Jose Cruz, hello. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Okay, thank you, Jess. Thank you for joining here. Stay, keep coming. A flower for another flower. RG Madge. Hi po. Roban Balatukan. What do you do? I'm doing live. Thank you so much. 17 people in the house. Where is from? I'm from Philippines. Ako na nag-adjust. What do you think? I'm thinking about the 76. The 76, and then when we meet, I overthink. Why do you don't get me na problems? Aww. 67. No, 76. 76. Seven six. What's the meaning of 7? That's why. What is the meaning of 76? That's why I'm thinking about the 76. My name is Sheryl. Her name is on the T-shirt. Nirvana. Mr. Pine Piper. It means you look beautiful. Oh, thank you, Kim. No, never. It's not called 76. It's called 67. Nice. No, 76. 67. Thank you, Card Chongwal. No, not 6. Different meaning. I know that I'm thinking about the 76. No, 7-Eleven. Seven-Eleven. Can TikTok yourself. My God, I would stand up. I will stand up. You send a $1,000. If not, no, I can't. I don't stand. Sorry. Love the cheekbones. The cheekbones. Thank you. I don't know. The kids are the worst talkers, ayas. Please. Luto na ga. Kuya ga. Oh my god. Is this Philippines? Yes. Filipina. I'm living here in the Philippines. Place is wrong. I said I called the police. Oh my god, the police. Sorry. The police. I like a Brazilian guy with, my goodness. Thank you, card. No, no, no. I stand up. I don't need to stand. If you send $1,000, I will stand. And having a freebies, I will dance. Okay. Freebies, I dance. I will dance. If you not send, no. I can't. Sorry. You can also write bubbles, then maybe you get it right, please. Leonardo Zuniga, thank you for the flowers. No worries, Rocker. From Surfred. Please fly. Jesus, she is killed now. Good morning. Addison, where are you from? Again, I told him you're good. That's the people. I think Sir Fred, he will Jesus Raquel, he will understand because he don't want the any problems. Uh, JS Rocker, he has a good friend here on my YouTube channel, support me a lot. Maybe if I'm with Mike, I know JS Rocker happy with me with Mike. Thanks, Fred. Yes, thank you, Jess. Thank you. I know, JS, you are happy to see me. I'm happy with Mike. And I thank you for supporting me here on my YouTube channel. And yes, I hope you're happy with me. Thank you so much. Wait. You're welcome, Record, anytime. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much, my friends here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back. Thank you so much. This is going to cause Mike more bear. Joking. I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me now. Up to the sky. Come to Dubai. Thank you for inviting, but I'm not going to Dubai. Glad that all settled. Settled? What do you mean, Sir Fred? I mean, I am waiting for you. All settled about Mike. What happened? What do you mean? Keep waiting, Cam. What do you mean, Sir Fred? How old? How old are you? Confused? Yes, I'm confused. What happened? All settled. About Mike. Ah, about Mike and Rocker. All settled. Huh? Never mind, lol. I will message you. I will message you. US American confuse them so easily. Bye. Sorry. I think any foreigner confuses Filipinas. Why? Me? Oh, you confuses me? What's wrong? Zanzibar. Good morning to you. Her mind is sim up right now because she's thinking of two things. One might come 60s and two she still don't know what. No, yes, the 76. My God. Yes. My mind is so busy. What is a 76? My goodness. Yes, 7676. 176. My goodness. Sorry. Tomorrow, 5 days. Yeah. He goes the yawning again. Yes. Yawning. Oh. Okay, I'm going to talk later. Message Robert. 76. Thank you, Sir Pet, for joining. I will eat dinner soon. So that's it. Wait, I need to charge this phone. Ouch! My God, aray! Oh, pakaring ka da.
Kay.
Tara, nakapurmaan. Ah? Hello, Zion. Hi, Zion. Mga sinasabi, bababaero ka. Ya, sika. Bago na ako tago. Hey beautiful, how are you doing? I'm doing live. 6 is so beautiful, thank you. Just thank you. Just thank you. want you here with... May sarap sa may uga, ha?
Ha?
May uga.
Oo.
Oh, I need to buy the uga. Wait. I need to buy the toyo. Wait, guys. Nico. Hi, Nico. Hi, Nico. I'm on the front of the basketball. Our home is the front of the basketball court. That's his why. Look. Wait. Thank you. Thank you so much. Is tall. Hello, Cher was sexy. The one just walked by. More time. Take time to realize. Take time to realize.
May kantuon lang kami.
Paano ka mo?
Ha?
Paano ka mo?
Sakap sa tuloy madali.
Sige.
Iyaan naman. Minipos man ang Quran. Ay, tatlo ko sa taas. Sabi ko, ya. Ay, sinuglan nila ito na suruda ito na hindi na ano, hindi na biskwit.
Don't wanna let her go. Maybe we'll never come back someday. Oh,
Ayun ang mag-apil-apil.
and maybe I hope to find in a way.
Sinabi ko sa kanila.
And all I can do is hope and pray. So,
Kung mapakasyon man ako nila ako
do a couple spins.
balak sa bata ko.
Hmm?
Ano ba ito ka? Ang pinsan ko dito. Rupi Patlo. Ay, dito ka sa ingat. Makaipon ako, DJ. Makaipon ako. Makaipon kami sa...
Some days I still Stevie boy. So are so tiny. Yes, I'm so tiny. So what? Do a couple super chat, baby Jesus. Yeah.
Balik ka.
Yes, baby Jesus.
Ako nga din kay minsan nagpansin ako ay ginagawa ko din sa Mario. May nakuha sa ako.
Let's subscribe for a spin. What is spin? Stevie boy. What do you mean the spin?
Ano? Palay ka? Okay, ano? Wala. Buyan. Buyan, ha? Matalo. Para ibindiyak, ma.
Do you think a subscription is worth something? Oh my god. Yeah? Do you think? BBJ.
Tino sa mga. Ha?
Just fake out. Just fake out.
John? Tay? John, July. John? Elisa. Sige. Diba, kahit siguran ko yun na ano. John. Anong gift sa'yo na John na yung pick up line? Ha? Sabi niya lagi sa ako, dapat daw sa pista. Pista sa hilit. Ha?
I love it when people try to use the subscribe button as currency. Do you think they are so important? Yeah.
Doon tumigil. Mayo 26. Ay, taging June. Ang kataunan. Nakataon, dapat di irugso. Sa ano namatay? Nung ano yun? Ha? Ako mo, wala na ako man, pag nagbahin sa yuta daw. Pag nagbahin na sa yuta daw, bahala na sila daw, ang pamangkot ko. Pero, mga nila, mag-anha. Makakuli mo na ako. Para mag dito sa bilik na. Ay, nainom dito.
I love it when people, wait, we can appreciate the, huh? What? Ew. Well, it's just not here to help you appreciate the both jackass. Buti. Magkaon ka na, Gab? O, magkaon ka na. Sons of Fairy, so there it begins. The will of the wind. The will of the wind is feeling then. Because your ghost faded, it's slowly dawns. So where it begins, I must be friends to where it ends. The where of the wind is feeling again. Because past you're going steady, it's going lost. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much for like, comment, share, subscribe, and support. Thank you so much. It would pass you're going and stay the Heineken. Recall. Let's be friends, the will of the wind. My God! The will of this feeling. Not just the airs, what about the fruit? Yes, the fruit. My God, like a licky licky. My God. Ouch. The fruit is better than mine. May gulay. The will of the- Thank you so much to those who subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. The will of the wind. Oh my god, you perfect. Yeah, my god. Ka-perfect ba oy? Ka-perfect ba oy? Yay. And delicious. What will? What ew? The will of the wind is feeling intense. It will pass, you're going steady. Forget that I'm just using a razor. I wouldn't want to wax either. Yeah, me. Another. My God. About 5 days. Yes, 5 days to go. 5 days. Hi from San Francisco, California, beautiful. Hi, Angel Bravo. Thank you. Angel Bravo, thanks a lot. Goodbye, circle, stay. Why thank you, Angel? I promise because Angel said I'm beautiful and I feel beautiful. Thank you, Angel. Angel Bravo, thanks a lot. God only knows the ghost to open the door. The wind is strong wind, not the ghost. No ghost. The ghost watches me sleep. Huh? No, no, no. What the fuck? Dagdag pa ko eh. Now you're gonna look for ghost. Remember. Ah! Tanya na. Sir Fred, stop it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, you're scared of ghosts? Oh, wow. Don't worry, you can walk right at wag. Ay, nako. Ah! My God! Keep looking at the bed, no. Oh my God! May gulay.